Vaccines are one of the most important developments in human healthcare of the last 100 years. Viruses are also playing an increasingly important role in cancer and gene therapy. Today, we are using oncolytic viruses to kill cancer cells and viral vectors to train our immune system or to repair gene defects. Our experts at HALIX are highly experienced in handling a broad range of virus-producing cell lines. We know how to grow these cells in flasks, roller bottles and bioreactors in our strictly controlled BSL-2 cleanrooms. We help you to develop, scale up and optimize the complete virus manufacturing process. Both during cell culture and purification, we ensure maximum yield and quality at the scale your individual project requires. We can fill and finish your viral product in our dedicated and strictly separated Class A filling area. Working with HALIX for your virus manufacturing project provides you with a cost-effective way to produce your viruses and vaccines, safe and GMP compliant. Besides our strong focus on quality, from development to final product, we offer you professional project management. Your project manager is your personal contact and makes sure that your project is completed with the highest quality standards, on time and within budget. Let us know how we can support you in getting your virus product to the patient. Challenge us. We look forward to working with you personally to lead your project to success.
HALIX, Bioscience as a Service.